Hey, welcome back, viewers, to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. In this episode, we're going to be building the second car of the Charlie's Angels trio, Kelly Garrett, Jacqueline Smith's Mustang 2 Ghia. So I hope you enjoy this build. And if you do, please consider giving me a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know when my next video is uploaded. Thanks. For this build, I use a 3D printed model that I picked up off of eBay. The Mustang 2 Ghia was a two-door notchback vehicle, and it was kind of hard to come by. I could find the Mach 1 Mustangs and the Firefighter Edition drag cars, but the Ghia was a little harder to come by, so the 3D model fit my needs really well. Here I am, I'm adding a touch of color to the windshield trim. The 3D model has everything molded in, so this process was quite easy. Making the interior proved a little more challenging, and the chassis. It's a curbside kit, so I didn't have to worry about the engine. I just had to use some kit bashing on some spare parts I had to make an interior, make a bottom of the car, to hold the wheels and the tire assemblies together. And then I had to make the windows. So we'll see as that comes up later in the video. After I move away from the trim, next part is working on the grill. Seeing that everything's molded in as part of the 3D printing, all I have to do is add color to it. So I'm using craft paint flat black to color the grill area. Once I moved on from there, I colored the Mustang emblem in the center of the grill. Then I added some color to the parking lights. Here's a look after everything's put together. Color in the marker lights. As soon as I finish this process, I'm on to making the windshield in the back glass. Here I used some clear acetate plastic from some Christmas decorations, believe it or not. I made a template out of an index card, transferred it to the plastic, cut it, and then I hot glued everything into place. The process works really good. I'm not sure if anybody else has used this method, but I'm pleased with the way it turned out, so I have no complaints. Here's the interior, and now on to the completed model. Again, thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, as I said earlier in the video, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up or even a thumbs down. I'd rather thumbs up though. Consider liking and subscribing to my channel, and if you stay tuned to the very end, you'll see a preview of my upcoming build, the Cobra 2 Mustang that Farrah Fawcett drove in her one and only season on Charlie's Angels. Thank you for watching. Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch my video. Have a safe and blessed day. Happy modeling.